Hi dear viewers, welcome to our class today. Today just I want to explain you the storied house part 2. So before going to part 2, let us review the literature of the lesson number 1, storied house part 1. You know what happened to Bayaji. So just I will give you a glimpse of this one. Shall we? Okay, Bayaji is an old man of 60 years. He worked in dockyard Bombay. He retired from his service and he wanted to settle his life in his village. So he is returning from Bombay to his village. Yes or no? Okay. When he was just coming, he came by train. Then he got into the bus, local bus, and he was just coming to his village. The bus was coming very slowly. Bus was not sure of coming because there were so many passengers. That was the reason. And second one is the bus was old one. You know that one. And the third one might be, yes, because it is on the top of the mountain, the house, the village was. And you know, this is the village with the age-old customs. This was around 90 before, maybe at the time of independence or something like that. So what happened, you know, what happened in the village, let us know something. He got down the bus. When he was getting down, he just came close to Bujaba. Bujaba was none other than, what is that? A Patel of that village or a headman of the village. Or you can say, but when you just read about this Bujaba, he was one of the rascals of the village. So he just encountered, there was a talking between them. Though he greeted with respect, the greeting was not enough for that man. Hey man, why are you greeting like that? How could you greet and how did you greet and how you have to greet? Ela greet chesavu, ela naku namaskaram cheyali, ela chestunnau? Hey, what is this nonsense? Ani annatlugaane he talked to Bayaji. But anyway, sir, nenu ippude vastunnanu. So atanu figure kuda telusukodaniki try chesadu. The figure was 2,500 rupees is a salary. What is that? Retirement benefit. So after coming to his house, he had met with his mother, his children and 8 children, especially grandchildren, and also his wife and villagers and so on. So as soon as he entered the house, so that day was very happy. On the next day, his daughter and his sons were waiting for some gifts or so. But actually, he did not bring any gifts to his children. Instead, what did he do? Yes, you know, he came with a purpose. He had a goal. That goal was to construct a storied house. Okay, storied house. It means stair house, first floor house, or maybe with a house with 2 floors or something so. So that is what he mentioned. And there we stopped the lesson number 1. Now let us study about the storied house part 2. Okay, let us go and let study. Us see this picture today. How is the picture? Who are these people in the picture? Shall we have a conversation about this picture? Okay, before going to this picture, I would like to announce the topic. Today we are discussing storied house part 2. Look at this man. He is Bayaji. Who is Bayaji? This man is Bayaji. And who is this man? This man is some Patel. Yes or no? And this man, he just bent his head. And this man is pointing his finger. And you can see his eyes, his face, red-faced, serious, furious, dreadful, angry. Yes or no? Angry and yes, you know. Not hungry. Angry. He is very angry. He is very jealous. Okay, feeling very dejected at the Bayaji. Bayaji is a retired man, is an old man. Let us go and see the storied house part 2. Shall we? The storied house part 2. The news that Bayaji was building a storied house spread like a cry from the rooftops. There was only one storied house in the village and that belonged to Kondiba Patel only. That Bayaji, an untouchable creature, should think of rival storied house was too much for Kondiba to bear. Others also murmured that the untouchables were forgetting their position. So there was a talk in the village that Bayaji is building a storied house, and that talk is like a really a cry from the rooftop, a shouting from the rooftops. A cock especially just makes this type of sound and makes that he is in the village and shows everybody. So this is quite natural that it is not a rumor, it is spread like anything. Spread. Vistarinchadam. Ela spread ayindi ante rumor laga. There was only one storied house in the village. The storied house belongs to only one person, that was Patel. What is the name of the Patel? Kondiba Patel. Belonged to Chendi Nadi. That Bayaji, an untouchable creature. Actually, Bayaji belonged to an untouchable caste. Touchable, untouchable. It is an opposite word. Touch, touchable. Okay. Creature is a noun. Untouchable is an adjective. Okay. Untouchable is an adjective. Should think of rivalry. Who? Bayaji should think of a rival storied house. Constructing a storied house, building a storied house is no doubt a rival. Rival means against, going against. Was too much for Kondiba to bear. They are unable to bear it. Bear, to bear, barinchadam. Unbearable, bearable, unbearable. Okay. Bear, yes, bearable. Bear is a verb. This is a to infinitive. Bearable, unbearable. Do you understand? Okay, opposite word of bear is unbear. Bearable, opposite word is unbearable. Others also murmured, murmuring, murmured. Murmur means gusa chepkodam, that the untouchables were forgetting their position. So all are thinking that these are forgetting their position. Forgetting opposite word is remembering. Okay, now their position. What is their position? They are untouchables. Who are they? Meher caste people. Okay, come again to next paragraph. Work on the foundation had started. Foundation work had started. Who is this? Datharam Vedar was given the contract of the construction. Contractor also came. Who is the contractor in this picture? In this lesson? Datharam Vedar. Okay, what is a construction? Constructing a storied house. The foundation trenches were filled with mud. Trenches, you know, that is what? Filled with mud, bits of stone and other fillings. So in those days, the people used to build their houses with the mud, specially made. What is that made? In Telugu, we can say Pati Mannu, Mettati Mannu. So Tokkinchi ala chesta undaru. So that is what happened. Bits of stone and other fillings. Work was progress. Work progressed with the speed. Work was in progress and that was with the speed. Progress, continue. Progress, continue, continued. One day, Bayaji saw Kondiba coming towards him and greeted him. So one day, Bayaji just looked at him and he was coming towards, yes, where? Towards Bayaji. And Bayaji just looked at him. It's with your blessings that I have ventured on this storied house, sir. So he bent his head and he was talking very slowly. Sir, with your blessings, only you are blissful. Blessing, bliss. Oh, what is this? Bless, bliss. Bless is a verb and bliss is a noun form. Okay, blissful. With your blissful heart, with your blessings only, I started this house, storied house. Baiju is talking. Who is talking? Patel. Who is this Patel? Kondiba Patel. Baiju, you should not lose your head simply because you have set some money aside. You got some money, so you should not get a head. Don't get this one to head. Do you aspire to an equal status with us by building this house? Hey, are you feeling that you are going to get the status of us? Equal status with us? Are you aspiring for this one? What is your aspiration? Look at this one, aspire. Aspiration. What is your aspiration? Are you going to feel that you are equal with us? So that is their feeling. The poor should remain content with their cottage. Understand? You are a very poor man. Your caste is poor, not because of your health and not wealthy status or richness. You are rich, it's okay, but that is not the matter. Your caste is poor. So you should stay with your cottage. Understand? What is the opposite word of understand? Okay, misunderstand. Kondiba remarked rather sharply. There was a sharp remark. Okay. Now let us go to next page. Now look at this one. No, Patel sir. No, Patel sir. No, Patel. Please don't misunderstand me. Don't misunderstand me, please. Bayaji was a little dizzy with nervousness. So he was a dizziness, just filled with this nervousness. Sorry sir. Don't misunderstand me. How do you say that? One should keep one's position. You should not let little money turn your head. These are the words told by Patel. ఏమా డబ్బులు 4 రూపాయలు వస్తే సరిపోతుందా, తలకాయ మొత్తం పొగర ఎక్కుతుందా అన్నట్టుగా మాట్లాడుతున్నాడు. లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్ వన్. లెట్ us study about this sentence. One should keep one's position. I should respect my mother. You should respect your mother. They should respect their mother. Do you understand? One should respect one's position. This is a very important sentence, especially in correction of sentences like editing process. Okay, do you understand? One, one's. I, my. You, yours. Okay, you should love your father. You should love your mother. You, your. I, my. Okay, this is a reflexive pronoun. I only, actually that is what you can understand. I only wish to build a shelter for my family, sir. Then I shall be free to breathe my last, sir. Bayaji answered, sir, so I only wanted to build a shelter, sir. That's it. I am not going to build anything. I want to die here. Breathe my last. Okay? Bayaji answered. Who says you should not have a house? Hey, ఎవరు చెప్తున్నాడా ఇల్లు వద్దని? You can have a small house. You can build a small house with 3 convenient portions. Come on, build with 3 portions. You have 6 sons, 3 portions, no problem. There are your daughters just went away, and also your 2 sons got employment. 1 more also is working as a teacher, no problem. A veranda in front and at the back, and living section in the middle, no problem. Prepare a hall like that, living section, front veranda, 3 portions. Why spend unnecessarily on storied house? What happened to you? Why are you feeling going against us by building storied house? Patel gave counseling. What a soft way of warning. It is not like a counseling. He's also he's telling something good about him also, because there are so many people in the village. They are talking that Bayaji got a headstrong person. He has become headstrong. Thalapogare ekindi. So all these things they were talking. No, but Bayaji flattered. No, sir. No. He was just confused. Now my suggestion is very simple here. You may go in for storied house only if you don't wish to stay in the village. Stay in this village. If you want to stay in this village, you cannot go for storied house. You may not go for storied house. Look at this one. This is a if condition. If you play well, you will win the match. If you play well, you may win the match. Okay. If you practice well, you may, like that. You may go in for the storied house only if you don't wish to stay in this village. So this is if condition number 1, possible condition is applied. I hope you know what I mean. I hope you are in a position to understand. You are not a simple silly boy. Kondiba shot out as a warning and walked away. Kondiba walked away. Other ruffians, other rascals in the village threatened Bayaji in the similar manner. They all threatened, made him fearful. He was terrified. He was afraid of. Sita is afraid of snakes. Okay, I am threatened of English once when I was in high school days. Okay, when I was in 8th class, 9th class, 10th class, I was afraid of. I used to be threatened just on seeing the English because I could not even read the English. Okay, out of the fear, Bayaji had to abandon plans for the storied house. So out of the fear, out of this threatening moment, okay, out of these ruffians warning and all these things, so he just abandoned, had to abandon, okay, abandon plans. Abandon is a verb form. Okay, abandon plans for storied house. The conventional 3-portion house was taken up. Now, as for their suggestion, he has taken 3 conventional. Look at this one. Convenient. 3-portion house. 3-portion, 1 portion, 1 portion, 1 portion. Work was resumed. Work was started. Work was taken up, and the walls rose rapidly. Walls also just rose, risen. Yes or no? Rapidly. Rapidly means very, very tempo, very, very speed, fast. Okay, somebody will say fastly. No, sorry, fast only. The middle portion was a little elevated. Middle portion was just middle elevated, and a small first story fixed up there with a wooden flooring only. With a wooden flooring like an attic or something like a, in Telugu we say sun side kattuntaru villages lo, ala sun side laga oka wooden portion laga ఒక ఫ్లోరింగ్ ఒకటి ఏర్పాటు చేశాడు. దిస్ పార్ట్ కుడ్ బి రీచ్డ్ బై స్టేర్స్ రైజింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద కిచెన్. సో కిచెన్లోంచి స్టేర్స్ లాగా ఎక్కి, జస్ట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ డ్రీమ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ బాయజీ. ఐ డోంట్ నో వేర్ హీ సా ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్. హీ జస్ట్ కేమ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద టౌన్. నో, he had that type of dream. What is there to have a dream here? Yes or no? No one could guess from outside that there was a first story in the house. Look at the one, STOREY. I explained when I was just teaching Storied House Part 1. Baiji had to make the best of things. Baiji tried his level best to make so many things better. Now let us go and see the next paragraph. The house was complete. The house was complete. Complete, completed. Yes, completion. The house was complete and the traditional housewarming ceremony was planned. What is housewarming ceremony? Gruha Pravesha Ahvanam. Housewarming ceremony. Gruha Praveshaniki సంబంధించినటువంటి ఒక ఫెస్టివల్ లాంటిది was planned. Invitations were sent to relatives in different villages. Invitations. Now my dear friends, what I want to tell you, your teacher also welcomes to write an invitation. If you want to know the invitations clearly, you may just see my old videos. I just made a wonderful video on how to make invitations, especially to get 5 out of 5 marks. Just it made nearly for 40 minutes, and it also has given a wonderful examples of various types of invitations I have just given in my video. Okay, just go for that one. Just go and see that invitation so that you will get understanding over the invitation. You can easily prepare invitations. The village elders by convention could not be invited to a meal or refreshment, so they were invited to the ceremonial Pan Safari. All the village heads were just invited for only Pan Safari. That's it. All the villagers, all the relatives are just invited. Baiju put up a fine pandal in front of the house. Pandal means, you know, a pole type. It's not a permanent one, temporary one, just for the festival, just only to conduct this program. Pandal, such a big one, huge one, like that, a pole. It is not actually a pole, made of some metal, something like that. Pandal in front of the house is the sons worked hard for 2 full days on the decorations. So decorations were going on. They were decorating. Who are his sons? Who are his sons? Elder son and 2 government workers, and also 1 teacher, and also 1 studying person. Relatives started arriving one by one. The close relatives arrived just 2 days back, 2 days before, and the remaining are arriving on the day. But nowadays, when you just go to a function, if you are in a position, if the function is around 12 or 11:30, if you go by 10:30, you don't feel anybody else. Only people are coming at the time of lunch and taking lunch, giving some gifts, and just going away, taking a photograph. Yes or no? Yes. What a human relations. All they have become artificial, not natural. Okay. So, but here so many are well-known devotional singers. Well-known means well-known, baga telisina. The opposite word of well-known is unknown. Yes or no? Now tell me, what is the opposite word of famous? Famous hero, famous heroine. Okay, what is the opposite word of famous, I am asking? Come on, tell me. Unknown. Yes, you are right. Well-known means famous. Unknown means not famous. Yes or no? Okay, well-known devotional singers. Okay, who are they? Bua. Who is this Bua? Kedagona Kar Bua, Parshu Bua, Kalekar Bapu Master, okay, Jija Bua, and Vihoba Wadgon came with their troops. Troop means group. Troop means group. Look at this one. Troop. Troop means, yes, troop means band. Musical band. పెళ్ళిల్లో వాయించడానికి వస్తారు, బ్యాండ్ వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ మాత్రం ట్రూప్స్ వచ్చారు. గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ట్రూప్. ట్రూప్ ఈజ్ ఏ కలెక్టివ్ నౌన్. ఓకే, కలెక్టివ్ నౌన్ మీన్స్ పౌల్ట్రీ యూ మే యూస్ లైక్ దట్. అలా మనం చూస్తూ ఉంటాం. ఓకే, పీపుల్ లుక్డ్ ఫార్వర్డ్ విత్ డిలైట్, వెరీ వెరీ హ్యాపీనెస్. డిలైట్, వెరీ వెరీ హ్యాపీనెస్, గ్లాడ్. ఓకే, డిలైట్, ఎంజాయ్, జాయ్, ఆల్ దీస్ ఆర్ related words. People looked forward with delight to the forthcoming contest. Forthcoming, next coming. Forthcoming, next coming contest. What is a contest? Poti, oka rakanga. What is that poti? Various troops are there. There was a contest among the various troops. Among. Why do we use among? Between and among. Madhya. Between is used between two. Among is used more than two. Yes or no? You are right. Very good, my dear students. In the evening, 4 Petromark slides. Look at this one. In the evening, 4 Petromark slides were hung in the 4 corners of the pandal. 4 pandals. 1 front like that. Pandal means such a huge pole for a decoration, you know, and it lent a unique golden yellow. Unique means something special, only one. Okay, your fingerprint is unique, your eye retina is unique. Yes or no? Unique. Unique means something special, only one in the world. Unique golden yellow light to the surroundings. So all the surroundings were filled with the unique golden yellow light. Guests were engrossed in the conversation. Guests were discussing in the conversation. What were they discussing? They were discussing about this Bayaji, his retirement, his house, and his relatives, his sons, his greatness, and all these things. Though he worked in a only little bit position, a small position, not just at the time of retirement, he worked as a supervisor, that's it. Otherwise, he was just a laborer, he was just lifting heavy loads up and down like that. Kondiba Patel was soon there. Kondiba Patel came. With him was the thug, Bujaba, and 4 or 5 seasoned rascals like Vithoba, who is this? Gayakote and Parshu Marthanda. Parshu Marthanda, Gayakote, okay, all these people also came. Look at this one, seasoned rascals. Seasonal. Seasonal means only when there are fights they gather. Seasonal rain, seasonal fevers like that. So all these people just gathered there. How many? 4 or 5? Not exactly. Bujaba is here, Kondiba is here, and this Gayakote is here, Parshu Marthanda is here, and also there are 2 or 3. These people felt uneasy. They were feeling uneasy. Felt uneasy at the sight of a brand new house. They were feeling with greediness. Their mind was filled with some hatredness. Hate feeling. Love, hate. The opposite word of love is hate. They were hating and they were feeling greedy. Their really heart was in fire. Actually, they were all filled with fire and also yes, the impressive pandal and the crowd of smiling faces. There were so many people, they were smiling, and also impressive pandals. The pandals were decorated by their sons, and those pandals were really wonderful. Okay, do you understand, my dear students? Now let us go and see the next page. Their eyes roved all over the place. Their eyes were just roaming all over the place. Baiji led them up to the stairs in the kitchen. First floor looked like a drawing room. Oh, they just took him. Baiji led them. Lead నడిపించుకొని వెళ్ళాడు ఎక్కడికి స్టేర్స్ దగ్గరకు. The people just looked like a drawing room. It was looking like a drawing room. The walls were radiant with blue oil paint. Radiant means shining, radiant. So this radiant, you will see this Sarojini Naidu poem. Yes or no? Radiant, bangle sellers. Yes, radiant with blue paint. The fresh color gave out a pleasant smell. It is quite natural. Fresh colors gave a wonderful smell, pleasant smell, wonderful smell. Framed pictures of great men look like Lord Buddha, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar, Karmavir, what is this? Burao Patel, okay, and also Mahatma Jyotiba Phule, and other photos hung on the walls. Okay, so many pictures are there, and everything, all the walls looked really wonderful, really holy. The loft like first floor was filled with the pious and holy ambience. When you just look at this first floor, though it is not like a first floor, but it seemed very holy, very prestigious. What is this? Very precious. Okay, say very sacred, holy. All these are related words which are explaining pure, swachamaina, pavitramaina. So all these are things. Now I want to explain you hung. Hanged. Very simple. Hang means uri veyadam. Hang means veladadiyatam. Hung means veladadiyatam. Hanged means uri veyatam. Okay. Shirt ni eladadiste hung. Shirt lo manisini petti taadu medakatti tiste, that is called hanged. Do you understand? Okay. Baiji spread a rough woolen carpet for Patel and other high caste people. Okay, he put a woolen carpet. Woolen, not wool. Somebody will pronounce wool, not wool. Woolen carpet. Patel sat quietly on that. Sat sat quietly on that. Sat. His companions, rather uncomfortable, took their positions around him. He sat there, no? So his companions also were sitting. How were they sitting? Uncomfortable. Comfortable? Uncomfortable. Okay? Bayaji offered them customary betel leaves. He gave leaves. What are those leaves? Betel leaves. What does it mean, betel leaves? You know. Chappandi betel leaves ante? Yes. Tamalapakulu. Okay? So this is a customary. This is a traditional. This is a age-old tradition in that village. Patel accepted the leaves but immediately gave it back to Bayaji with the remark, yes, it's all very nice, my dear. So what happened? He just put close to the nose and very nice. Okay, take. Wonderful, super. But why don't you accept the betel leaves, sir? Bayaji asked nervously. Sir, you did not accept. Bujaba smiled artificially and said, it's enough that your offering is honored here. Is it also necessary to eat it? Your offering is okay, is honored, is given a respect. That's it. Okay. Do we have to eat? In our such untouchable houses, like that there is an intention. Okay. Well, make a move now. Okay, let us go. With this, Kondiba Patel, Bujaba and his companions rose to leave. Okay, let us make a move. Okay, let us make a move. Let us go. That is what they were telling. They left. As they came down, Bujaba felt as if he was tumbling down the stairs. So as he was coming down, he just was touching the stairs. Oh, stairs are here. In the sense he has constructed storied house. Oh. They eyed one another as if to say, this untouchable worm, this untouchable creature has got swollen head. He needs proper handling. We should handle him properly. Properly. Do you understand? Correctly. Correct punishment vidiki alravai. They were talking like that. Baiji fed all his guests with meal, shira and puris. Okay? I don't know what is shira and puris, you know. So all these things, they all just ate along with the betel nuts. Items of gossip rolled over their tongues, and then the session of social devotional songs began. So all these things they ate, and there was a gossip that the rich people did not honor his betel leaves. There was a gossip, and the conversation was just going on. It was like a gossip. Gossip means, you know, gossip, whispering, something like a rumor. Okay, among the bhajan singers, Kalekar Bapu Master has a superior voice, wonderful, topmost voice. No need of a mic set. Who is this? Kadegonekar Bua was better at classical singing. There was also a classical singer, classical dance, Bharatanatyam, not Bharatanatyam, Bharatanatyam. Okay, devotional songs were sung in praise of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar and Lord Buddha. There was also devotional songs. Devotional means godly songs, somebody will say, but the songs which are devoted personally to the so and so. People swayed their heads in appreciation as the program gathered momentum. The program started. There was a momentum in the program. The program has taken a momentum. It started like anything, and everyone was appreciating. Appreciations were coming. It was 2 o'clock in the morning. Oh, in the morning 2 o'clock. You can understand. It is midnight over. 12 o'clock is over. 9 o'clock is over. Now it is 2 o'clock. It was 2 o'clock in the morning. Bayaji was strutting about in the pandal. He was just staying there at the pandal. He sat down by the guest now and then. He sat down by a guest now and then to inquire after his welfare. So guests were coming, and they were just coming close to him. They were sitting with him, and they were just always looking for the guests' welfare. How are the guests? How are they feeling? Do they need any coffee? Something like that. Small children, unable to resist sleep, had dropped off like a bundle of rags. It is quite natural. There is a comparison. Bundle of rags. Ante battalu oka moota pakkana padavesinattuga. So pillalu kuda alane they just went to sleep. Women sat in the front veranda. Okay. Bayaji's children were busy preparing tea for the second round. They had put tea powder and sugar into a pot on a trenched stove and waited for the water to boil. The bhajan was in full swing. I had a dream at night and my heart was full of feeling, went the line. My dear people, there was a dream and you know something is going to happen. Okay, now let us see. The group advanced from a baseless devotionals like from the east came horde of ghosts, each one with 7 heads, to social devotions. You see, there was a bhajana, there was a bhajan, there was a devotional song, totally social devotional songs, and there was also, you can see, Kalekar Bapu Master's powerful voice rose up. Take to heart the sweet advice of what is this? Bhima Raya, and bow down to Buddha for the emancipation of whole world, for the salvation of the whole world. ప్రపంచం మొత్తం రక్షణ పొందాలి అంటే, బాగుపడాలి అంటే, సో ఇది మీరు చేయండి, గౌతమ బుద్ధాని ఫాలో అవ్వండి అంటూ, I fly to the refugee of the Lord Buddha, I fly to the refugee of the faith, I fly to the refugee of the faithful, he was singing. నేను ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళగలను? వేర్ కెన్ ఐ గో? ఐ కెన్ గో టు, ఐ కెన్ బి ఫెయిత్ఫుల్, ఐ కెన్ ఓన్లీ గో టు బుద్ధ, ఓన్లీ గౌతమ బుద్ధ కెన్ సేవ్ us, ఓన్లీ బుద్ధిజం కెన్ సేవ్ us. He was singing like that. That song meaning was like that. The song rent the hair. ఆ గాలిని కూడా అది తీసుకుంది, ఫీలింగ్ ఇట్ విత్ జాయ్. ఎస్, గాలిని కూడా అసలు ఆనందంగా ముంచేస్తూ ఉంది. అక్కడ టోటల్ ఏరియా వాజ్ ఫిల్డ్, ఇట్ వాస్ మూవింగ్, సంథింగ్ లైక్ దట్. When we see some preachings were going on in the churches or in the Muslim pastors were preaching, there we feel some feeling. So everybody will be occupied, every sound, every area is occupied by them, and then the undreamt of incident took place. అప్పుడు ఎవడు ఊహించని, ఎవరు కలలు కనని సంఘటన జరుగుతుంది. What could be that one? Can anyone estimate? Can you say? Do you want to know what is going to happen? Yes, if you want to know, please let us go and see the next video. I will explain you in the next video. Okay, please expect what is going to happen. Okay, what is undreamt? It is all these things: dream, dreamt, undreamt incident took place. What could be the incidents? Did any rascals have taken revenge on this house, on this Bayaji, or did they do any harm to this fellow, this Bayaji and his family? Okay, did all the relatives just fight against these rascals? Is there any rivalry? Is there any fight? Is there any social activity? Let us know in the next class. Okay, let us see the next class. Maybe tomorrow itself I will make a video. Thank you.